So, I honestly don't know why I got it, but I think I got $100 worth of credit from FabFitFun because somebody, I don't even know who, used my referral code, and thank them so much for doing that, or thank you so much for doing that, whoever you may be. So I did order $99.99 worth of free stuff from FabFitFun, and only 2 items were delivered today so far out of the handful or so of things. These are from Sweetwater Decor, and inside this box is supposed to be 2 different mugs that I ordered. So I'm like, I don't know what else to buy, and usually you can't go wrong with mugs, and I already know that I like the other mug that I got from them so far, which is the pink one with, I forgot what it looks like, but it's a pink one. So this is from Sweetwater Decor, and I'm going to cut these open and show you what's inside in just a sec. So this is the first mug, and I believe they say to hand wash them, but I don't remember. So we'll see if it tells you on the bottom of, or me on the bottom of this. Yes. So it says hand wash only. They're made in China. Microwave safe, although it has like a gold handle, and I don't trust that. Sweetwaterdecor.com. This one is so pretty. It's like a ivory color with the gold handle and gold lettering with a little heart, and it says "Hello Gorgeous" on both sides. And I forgot the, what do you call it, the size of it, but I think it's 10, 20 ounces, maybe 20. I'm not really sure, but I'll leave you the link, which might have the, probably will have the size in there. So we got Hello Gorgeous. And then the next one that I got is this one. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's the same exact color scheme, the ivory with gold handle, and it says Boss Lady because that's me. Well, I used to be a boss lady. Maybe someday. I mean, I'm the boss of my YouTube channel. I just noticed, though, this is a little weird here, but hopefully it doesn't fade. I could just wash that off. But aren't they so cute? We got Boss Lady, Hello Gorgeous, and then my other one, I forgot. I don't know why. I don't know. I can't remember right now. But I'll leave you the links to both of these, and then I'll show you whatever I get besides these when I get them. And that's the first one of the free stuff I got from FabFitFun. Thank you again to whoever it was that took advantage of my coupon code. Thank you. It is Hot Mess Friday. It's not a hot mess day. I gotta figure out how to get this table off. I got my other FabFitFun freebies today. It's this pretty big box. FabFitFun. Is this upside down? Yeah, it is. It says you pick the best stuff. FabFitFun. I'm trying to make sure this, my address isn't showing. So, thank you again to whoever you was or were who helped me get all this stuff for free. $99.99. This is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is a Juicy Couture makeup bag or toiletry bag. It's like pink. Includes travel toiletry bottle. What? I didn't know I was getting a bottle. Is it in here? I feel like it is. It's like a velvety pink bag. It's nice. What? It says Juicy Love all over it. Uh-oh. I didn't mean to do that. And it has a little heart on it, and this says Juicy with their logo. What? Well, it says JC. Not Jesus Christ. can't get this open. Oh, we'll do it later. I'll show you later. But this is it. The scissors over there. And then I got this, which is this really pretty mug, ceramic mug, hand wash only, do not microwave, from Lily Pulitzer. I just thought the pattern was really pretty. Ceramic mug featured in My Little Peony. It's all ounces. I don't know what My Little Peony is, but okay. My Little Peony. Oh shoot, I didn't even break the box. My Little Peony. I think the mug is like pretty much like the box in the picture. So I'm like, that's really pretty. Blue and pink. Be really careful because you know me, I do things. Yep, this is the mug, and inside it has like this floral flower, and it says XX Lily. Hand wash only, do not microwave. Isn't this pretty? I think it's gorgeous. And then My Little Peony, not to be confused with My Little Pony. Then I got some kitchen stuff. So I got these ice cream, ice sweet treats, 2-piece summer spatula set from, it says by CWC Summer. Wash in warm water before use, hand wash only. A lot of this hand washing stuff. Okay. Then I got this from GIR Ultimate Spoon, platinum grade silicone. Here's the scoop. This spoon is pure genius. This, on the contrary, you can put in the dishwasher. It's heat proof to 550 degrees, BPA and BPS free. Think of that. Heavy duty. It says cooler than a cucumber. Our thoughtfully engineered tools. I don't know why I said it so weird. Engineered tools won't burn your hands, scratch your pans, or warp in the dishwasher. I'm glad because I've seen some of these things warp. And then there's 3 things left in here. 2 of them are the same. So I got same brand by CWC Summer Silicone Molds. These are, it's the same thing, hand wash only. No, wash in warm water before use. This is actually dishwasher safe. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Do not cover or do not use over open flame. These are like for ice cubes and I don't know what else. It's like summery theme. Silicone molds. Then I got these 2 things, which are the same, and they're similar to other things, and they're also from that brand by CWC Summer, and that's 2-piece each of bag clip sets, and they're ice cream cones. There's like a little thing on it, a little speck, and they're magnets. Really cute, huh? Scan here to get it in your bag. Get what in? Care and use. Wash in warm water before use. Hand wash only. Avoid abrasive cleaners. Do not use over open flame. Noted. These are so cute. Just a mess right now. And then I got my little mug. Tried putting it aside because I didn't want to. I'm going to put this on like loosely because we're back in here because I'll break it.